Hi guys, welcome to Gearbest. Today my team finally allowed me to do something fun instead of introducing a product. So as everybody knows, Xiaomi Mi Band has been a really hot item on Gearbest, and we had another short video in early February talking about what the features gonna be included in Xiaomi Mi Band 5. They released an official picture which looks very much like a Xiaomi Mi Band 4, and there are some pretty good guesses about how the new one gonna look like. Just like the Apple release, every year you get something new and you don't know what exactly the feature is, so you would pause your purchase until the new one comes out if you're not in a hurry. I'm going to share something that our team discussed with you guys. I hope this is gonna be the true answer. So the official release picture looking like this, and this is the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. They look pretty much alike. Well, we guess the surface is gonna be 1.2 inches instead of the original 0.95 inches. So if you watch our previous video on the red Mi Band, the one was 1.02, was slightly bigger on my wrist. The Mi Band 5 probably gonna give you a much larger screen with a lot of more information that you can read. Another thing about the screen is it's gonna be more visible or brighter under the sun, so it's gonna be something you can vividly read the time or message when there's something pop up. Other things. So here, you probably wouldn't be able to see, but here is a very tiny slash. Instead of the half circle over here, they just upgraded. I guess this would allow us to have a larger screen instead of having the half side block down here. And what else? The remote camera shooting. That's something girls would totally care about. But if you are like an outdoor guy and you like hiking and you always wanted to do some nice pictures of climbing the rocks, totally fine. You can have your phone somewhere away from you and just click on your Mi Band 5. So other than that, it also supports NFC, which you can allow you to pay through your band. It's like Apple Pay. Well, as for the sporting mode, it just added another 5. I don't know which 5 though, but apparently this one is yoga, and for all girls, this is very important for you. And also rope skating. I guess there's some way easier to lose some weight if you actually gain some weight during the coronavirus quarantine time. And that's something very much like the Xiaomi series. So are there anything I would like Xiaomi to include? That's the thing I mentioned in the Redmi series. I would like them really have a built-in USB plug, and it's easier because we have access to computer all day, every day, and it's just convenient instead of carrying a cord around. Is the Xiaomi Mi Band 5 gonna support Alexa? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see if when you wake it up, you say 小爱同学 or Alexa. I don't know which one gonna wake it up, but pretty much it includes everything that we like from the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. And the Mi Band 5 gonna be released officially by June 11th. The very last thing I wanted to mention here is that how much this new version gonna be. And can we provide a giveaway, or maybe not? I don't know. Let's see until the global launch. Make your remarks down below there and let us know like what's your guess on the unit cost gonna be. And if you're really close and we have quarter for the free gifts, we'll let you know. So wait until the next one. We're gonna shoot another video about the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. So guys, if you have any questions or if you wanted to know more, or just keep following up on us, and you are going to see more global release coming. So have a nice day and take care. Bye.